court can pass an order, or court would be pleased to direct the appointing authority. How could you appoint him? And if his appointment is correct, then take appropriate action. So that he cannot come and complain that natural justice was violated so far I am concerned.
From the recent judgment,
Hmm.
the appointment goes.
Without
Without
come to a finding that this is void.
Therefore, if the appointing, rather the recommending authority is saying that we never recommended Mr. Oyon Das for appointment,
That let that be on.
the service is illegal, I may give an opportunity to Oyon Das to justify.
Not only
his
illegal,
appointment.
more harsh action, the forfeiture of salary.
Of course, and whatever the earlier salary, whatever he has to
Yes.
refund all these, and a standard rate of 12% interest. That is that rate has been affirmed by Honorable Supreme Court. 12% affirmed. Now,
মানে government college এ গেছে।
The government
only
college.
school one can go to college.
Like if he is
No, my lord, he was
education
UTC of
service.
DI office.
Therefore, he was in the education service. In the cadre of education service, he can be transferred to a government school or government college, which comes under the administration of the education service.
As a clerk of same
Clerk?
post.
Yes, yes. So he's still a clerk.
Now he has been posted as upper division clerk.
Yeah, LDC chila, UDC হয়েছে।
Now, what you have detected, this Oyon Das, he has been arrested.
He was arrested long back.
Now, if his appointment is not through the proper channel, appointment letter was not issued by the board. Where is board? This is the face of the disciplinary body. This is the face of the disciplinary body.
No, অন্য ঘরে মামলা চলছে।
Now then, Mr. Bhattacharya, is there any necessity of initiating any disciplinary proceeding against this Oyon Das?
There ought to be, because there are two aspects of any action. One is misconduct, which comes under the disciplinary authority, and the criminal misconduct, which goes to the part of the criminal investigation. Now, the state has taken him into custody in terms of the criminal activities committed. But he is yet to face the departmental inquiry, which is
That is what my query,
Yes.
exact query is, that his appointment was not through the appointment procedure. Now, the board, which is supposed to be the authority to issue the
board
appointment
should
letter.
give him show cause that how
No,
could you.
my question is very basic now, that if he was not even recommended by commission, he was not appointed by the board, is the
No,
board is,
may I just interrupt? That was in respect of Oyon Kumar Das.
Ah.
Now, my lord, what happened? These persons, being the UDC,
no,
of the-
don't jump into that. Don't jump
so
into that.
no,
I am on
my lord is-
Oyon Das.
Oh, my lord.
Whether any disciplinary proceeding can be initiated or at all can be
Without-
necessary.
দাঁড়াও, চুপ করো। If the honorable court passes an order that we find the appointment was not there at all, court can pass an order, or court would be pleased to direct the appointing authority. How could you appoint him? And if his appointment is correct, then take appropriate action. So that he cannot come and complain that natural justice was violated so far I am concerned.
Now, in a situation where an appointment was made without giving go by to all known procedure of appointment,
That is void.
that is void.
Void.
For that,
If the court comes to a finding void, goes. And if the court still keeps hope on the appointing authority, the court will ask the appointing authority to take appropriate action.
just taking a cue from the recent judgment,
Hmm.
the appointment goes.
Goes. The
Without-
court come to a finding that this is void.
Therefore, if the appointing, rather the recommending authority is saying that we never recommended Mr. Oyon Das for appointment,
That let that be on affidavit. They have not filed any affidavit to that extent.
let us understand. And the second, if it is found the board takes a stand that since we did not appoint him, we don't have any disciplinary authority over him.
It's void.
So then appointment being void will go automatically.
Automatic.
Only the natural justice may demand before declaring he may be asked to
Explain.
get an
That's-
opportunity of hearing.
That's all.
That's all for Ayon Das. So far, Ashok Kumar Hatua, ex headmaster,
Headmaster.
he is in receipt of pension.
না, এগুলো তো মনে হয় আগে বন্ধ না।
Possibly,
It was stopped. It was stopped.
it has been stopped.
There are previous matters against him, so there was a direction. My lord was looking into that. So my lord, that has been stopped. The pensions and everything.
In
has-
connection with maybe
in a different
other
case,
than-
my lord.
But the stopping is a temporary measure. They have to initiate now proceedings for forfeiting of the pension.
So, the possibly even after the retirement, now the position of law may be subject to what you say, the disciplinary proceeding may be initiated, subject to some formalities being observed, right?
The law is for grave misconduct, even after retirement, proceedings can be drawn up because he is getting pension.
Maybe there is a procedure.
Yes.
I'm only point. Now, after all, now tell me about the appointment of
Ayon
Mr.
Das.
Ayon Kumar Das. So please disclose this fact before this court on, because the court is of the opinion, if he were not appointed, given appointment letter, where is commission? Central School Service Commission. You have not recommended this person. Please disclose this fact on affidavit. So far, Ayon Das is concerned, so that
If you say that you have not appointed, then
that will suffice the purpose.
Yes.
That in my record, there is no such teacher we ever issued any appointment letter,
one line affidavit.
and commission may say from consulting records that we never recommended. Then fact remains, before I declare this Ayon Das, the service is illegal, I may give an opportunity to Ayon Das to justify
Not only
his
illegal,
appointment.
more harsh action, the forfeiture of salary.
Of course, and whatever the earlier salary, whatever he has to
Yes.
refund all these, and a standard rate of 12% interest. That is, that rate has been affirmed by Honorable Supreme Court. 12% affirmed. Now,
Only one thing, verified properly, we require to see which document he is relying upon. Which document is
CID,
without
I'm showing one thing.
the
No, this will
the
be again
document
applicating
which
the
is not in
responsibility.
existence.
Yes.
Why can you provide with the document? No appointment letter, no recommendation letter.
then we will not be able to check from our records whether at all there was ever
No,
any.
they can find out the name digitally.
Name, year, same names, 100 of candidates.
Mr. Dr. Patro, you are getting the school name, you are getting the person's name,
Appointment year,
year of appointment. That will, the CID, Mr. Nondi,
Hey,
my lord.
share at least something with the board and with the,
Where we can
the
start.
commission, so that they
But
can.
I am doing investigation on the basis of the documents which they are giving, Manoj. How can I give them
I
document?
don't know. I don't know.
But this is
Very well.
something, Manoj, I fail to
No,
understand.
no,
may I assist your lordship?
Yes.
With due respect. That they have counter finding on the basis of the investigation carried out?
Three bench committee.
Yes. No, now the CBI, CID. CID will not has come to a finding that appointment of Ayon Das is non-existent. On the basis of the information given by the board and the school service commission. Now the board and the school
Yes, sorry,
service,
sorry, I missed a point. So 3-member committee, they
Hmm.
initially found that this is illegal appointment. They actually asked the DI to lodge the FIR.
ah,
Then no document produced.
No,
Ayon
may-
Das.
May I just,
Mr. Bhattacharya, so Mrs. Bhattacharya, what I am remembering, that when the name of the Ayon Das came surfaced, this court had directed the 3-member committee to find out the justification of the appointment of Oyon Das. They said, they found that this is not just, cannot be justified. And DI was asked to lodge a complaint with the concerned police station. It was lost. CID was asked to take over. It has been taken over. Now both of your task is rely on your own report, because you are also the member of the committee. You are also the member of the committee. You just disclose on your affidavit, at least you, that I never appointed, I never recommended, I never appointed. Then the court will take the action. Please bring it on this on affidavit. Now the third question comes about these two persons,
No, but this is,
Lokesh and Subroto Tunga.
let peruse this. It is now peruse this also. It is let peruse these two format fronts. Now, so far as this Oyon is concerned, but the format is absolutely different. But that was, and the original of that is not available in the DI office. So, this format, this document was created somewhere else, and the job was.
Mr. Nandi, now it is clear that this appointment was approved by the district inspector of school, the then district inspector of school.
No, that is not this appointment, this document should have been in the office.
But it is not. Where from you have recovered this?
This-
document?
এটা করতে করেছি অয়নের এটা
পয়েন্ট আমরা এতে নিয়েছিলাম ওই অফিস থেকেই আমরা মানে স্কুল মাস দিয়েছিলাম
photocopy we have received Khamarchok school.
From the school record. Therefore, it is apparent. The approval was made by the DI, and this is the appointment channel appointment made.
And the two formats are absolutely
Because
different.
I want to get in the impression, whatever
And
is coming from commission and the board first, let it be on record. Now, these two, Pulokesh and Subroto, they are the employees of the education department. Who is for the state?
The state in this matter, Milord.
ওটা
Yes.
দিয়ে দাও না হারিয়ে
Now, Pulokesh and Subroto,
না may I just get back those, otherwise it will be mixing.
Pulokesh and Subroto
My lord.
is under custody. They are under custody. They are under custody.
Lordship.
They have been suspended. Suspension order issued.
That, Milord, I have to take instruction, Milord. I have no instruction as of now, Milord.
But by operation of law,
Law suspension.
they have to.
Yes.
Now, stay for issuance of
আপনার কাস্টডিতে আছে তো? কাস্টডিতে এখনো আছে? এটা হয়ে গেছে।
automatic suspension.
Milord, I have no clue, Milord. I have to take instruction from them, Milord.
That who will issue that suspension order? Who will issue that?
ওটা তো পেন্সিল আছে
When they have arrested, Milord, that Milord, after that, definitely if it is they have not been joined there.
Authority to issue the suspension order. Who is the disciplinary authority? So what is who is the disciplinary authority?
Milord, the employer is Milord the Commissioner of Education. Therefore, the
So, Milord, I have to then file a report to that effect, Milord, with regard to these two, Milord.
not their
What to do, Milord? What else I can do, Milord?
you just, Mr. Mollik, inquire
Ah, sir.
the Commissioner of School Education.
My
Whether two, the arrest have been reported to him.
I shall, Milord. I
So,
shall.
No, I shall means just go back to your other chamber and call the commissioner.
No, Milord. Today is there is a holiday in the state government, Milord. That's another problem for me also. That's why Milord, no officer has come today.
free of declaring holiday. What is the
No,
holiday?
no, it's a national holiday. Except High Court, everyone is closed. Even the bank also. Mohabir Jayanti. And because of this Mohabir Jayanti, I couldn't go to court, Milord.
The court
Even
আসলে
the traffic jam in the morning, Milord. I have stranded in Howrah nearly 1 hour. So I have decided to come back, doing it virtually.
There's a huge jam because of this. On whom they are working?
But kindly give me then two names, my lord. I just called him and accordingly I will inform.
Is now authorize him to suspend. Because now he is not in the control of the disciplinary action. Therefore, my lord, please direct the Haldia Government College to take appropriate action against this person.
The name of these two employees,
Lordship.
Maiti,
What mighty, my lord?
Pulokesh Maiti,
Lordship.
DI, Secondary Education, Purbo Medinipur,
My lord.
and Subroto Tunga, dispatch clerk. No, dispatch,
Lordship.
not dispatched clerk.
No, my lord, he is right now the typist of DI, DI of school,
Who?
secondary education, my lord, Mr. Tunga. My lord, the last page, my lord, peruse, my lord, at present position. Sir, it, Purbo Medinipur.
স্কুলে ডিআই অফিসে
Oh, Pulokesh Maiti is the UDC of Haldia Government College.
সাবসিকুয়েন্ট
Haldia Government College. Who is the
Lordship.
authority?
I shall. Haldia Government College is a, my lord. Let me talk with the commissioner and I shall revert back within a few minutes, my lord.
The Haldia Government College commissioner cannot be.
But
I
Haldia,
don't think so, my lord.
some employee my lord is sent to some authority, then the disciplinary authority becomes that said authority. Here, the Haldia government independent body, the governing body of the college will take
Ah.
appropriate action.
So Haldia Government College
Lordship.
and Subro Tunga is the typist of DI office, AC Purbo Medinipur.
My lord.
আমরা জানিয়ে দিয়েছি
Lordship.
Two.
These
And-
are two persons.
Ma'am, we have already intimated the principal of Haldia College
Right thing, right thing.
and the DI of that concept
Right thing.
regarding that.
Steps.
Said already they have been informed. Your task is to inquire from them whether any suspension order has been issued to them and
Hold on,
disciplinary
that is
action has
beach
been
kitchen.
taken or not.
I shall revert back to his lordship. Just now, let me talk with the commissioner.
If the general board, the governing body, this is called governing body, na? Governing body fails to do so, same thing will happen. DPI will intervene and again the college governing body will be dissolved, administrator will be appointed.
Lordship.
You just inquire of these two. Now
I
these are
shall. I shall.
school is concerned. The school is concerned. Now come to
Yes,
the
ma'am.
college.
School is over.
Where from I will look into it.
Not, it's a different, that is only so far as Tamluk is concerned. This is a different, my lord can keep that
Okay,
in.
this is,
This is in respect of that.
place it properly,
My lord, I'm
file it properly.
I'm doing.
Seal cover, otherwise it will be mixed up.